Yan na guys, ang ating mutton biryani or goat biryani. Guys, hapunan natin is goat biryani. Yan o. Lagyan natin ng sour cream. Sour cream. So, next is cilantro or coriander, tomato, and mint leaves. Ayan. Imikos-mikos na natin yan, insan. Ayan o. Goat biryani to guys. So, ang ating kanin ay luto na. Ginawa ko na kanina. Jasmine rice. Yun naman talaga ang kanin natin para sa biryani. Ayan na, insan. So, medyo i-reduce lang natin yung sauce ng ating goat biryani. Ayan. Tapos nyan, mag-layer na tayo sa ating kanin guys. So, let's go! So guys, goat curry. It's goat biryani. Yay. Ayun. Then rice. So yung rice natin, we add some cinnamon seeds, a little bit of salt, and then put mint leaves. Then another ating mutton or goat. Bango. Super yum. Then rice again. Up the rice. Lagyan natin again ang goat. Ay, sorry. Then again rice. Mint leaves and fried onion. There you go. Oh. There you go. Biryani. Okay, let's go. Yan na guys, ang ating mutton biryani or goat biryani. Yan. Pwede pang isang barangay to. Yan. Mutton biryani. Okay. Let's go.